Well, a big hello to our club members. I think this is the first time we've actually spoken in terms of direct, and we are inviting you to join our webinar. We are going to broadcast a tutorial to show you how to get the most out of the effects unit in Genos. We're going to also show you a registration that we're going to build. And in fact, if you are a tier 4 or tier 5 member, you will receive this registration in advance, and we will help you to actually play it. So live, you'll be able to follow us with that exact registration loaded, and we can show you during the course of the tutorial how to get the most. So if you're a tier 4 and tier 5 member, you will receive a notification with an email, a message on the website to tell you that you can download the registration, and then we'll send you a date as to when the broadcast will go out, which should be within just a few days. So please keep an eye on the club. If you're not a tier 4 or tier 5 member, in order to watch, all you need to do is just upgrade to a tier 4 and you'll have access. And you'll have access to all the tutorials that we're going to start broadcasting live. Okay, so these are all going to be you sit in front of the keyboard with your iPad or your computer, and you can follow at home during the dark nights. Obviously, with the winter coming up, it's a great time to get to learn how to play your instrument, and it's a great time to share registrations. And we're going to send you the registration for this piece. So we're going to send it out to all club members who are tier 4 and tier 5. As I say, if you're not, either upgrade or you'll miss out on this tutorial. So the options there, we're going to, obviously, as you can see from the screen, you can see the keyboard, but also we have graphics that can show you the screen, and you'll really be able to follow simply. The whole thing has been geared around showing you how to get the most out of this keyboard and following us at the same time. So as you can see, we have an option of being able to see the full screen. So if we want to change something on the screen, for example, we can do, and you can see that. Or if we need to show you something with the keys, you can see hands, you can see the screen, and then for the final finale, you can see the whole keyboard and see when we need to show you how to get around the buttons. So you really can't go wrong. Okay, so tier 4, tier 5, the registration is now live on the posts page. So if you are a tier 4 and 5 member, you can download it now, have a little look at it, and then in a couple of days, you'll receive a link to watch the tutorial. We give you plenty of notice, don't panic, and then you can watch and join us live. We are so excited about doing this because we have such detailed screens, and we'll go at the pace that you need. So don't forget, if you're logged in, you can actually chat to us as well live. So when the screen comes up, you'll see all of this, and there'll be an option for you to send us a little message and say hello. Or if you're struggling with something, you can actually ask during the show, and I can show you. It's a fantastic, fantastic way to help you around your instrument. So we'll speak to you soon, and hope you're as excited as we are. And we send our best wishes to everybody who's a member of the club. Thank you.